Yeah, my name is George Ibrahim Zakin. I came from Tanzania, but originally I am a Lebanese. I came to last year to Apollo Hospital. I have done the stent with the Dr. Manoj, and this year I have developed a pain in the vascular of both hands. Therefore, we communicated with the international desk and make an appointment with Apollo with Dr. Prakash. Therefore, we came and then have seen the doctor and he diagnoses what is wrong. So the operation is done on the both leg. They changed the vein, and I stayed almost 4 days in the hospital. After that, I went to for the resting and recovery. I thank God that the operation was successful. I'm feeling well. I climbed the stair, and today I came to make a revision with Dr. Prakash. I thank God, thanks all the working in the hospital, especially Dr. Prakash and his assistants, and all the nurses and working and staff in Apollo Hospital. Thank you.